Hi, I'm Diane Grover, Cosmetic Chemist trainer and assessor here with the Institute of Personal Care Science. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a fresh face pressed powder. Now let me show you just how easy it is. Now this powder has a fragrance in it, which is delivered through Ultracaptosens G, which is a powder that's specifically designed to add fragrance to powdered products. Just a beautiful lightweight face powder with a mattifying effect that just gives a gentle fragrance as well to make you feel fresh throughout the day. For fresh face pressed powder, I will combine some titanium dioxide, which is the opacifier giving the powder its coverage, with some yellow, red and black iron oxides. The iron oxides give the powder its colour, while the titanium dioxide gives the coverage. Now I'm just going to grind those together until they're a really fine powder. The base of our powder is made up of mica, which provides a slip to the powder so that it glides easily onto the skin, along with some magnesium stearate, which acts as a binder, ensuring adhesion of the powder to the skin so that the powder doesn't slide off when applied to the skin. Now that we have a really fine particle size and the base is mixed, we can join those phases together and blend until there's homogeneous colour. Now in a separate vessel, I'm going to combine some Ultracaptosens G with some Sea Minerals Fragrant oil. Ultracaptosens G is a natural absorbent powder that's made from kaolin and micronized bamboo. It can hold up to 20% fragrance without clogging the pores. In pressed powders, it delivers fragrance, a mattifying effect, and a light and airy texture on the skin. Then we can combine those two phases together. Once our phases are smooth, I can spray on the lipid into the powder while continuously mixing to prevent lumps from occurring. The lipid provides emolliency and skin conditioning, preventing dryness. Pressed powders typically use more lipid than loose powders to achieve the tight packing needed for a solid format. I've just popped my lipid into a spray bottle for easy dispersion. Once the powders and lipids are smooth, you can do a final colour check and adjust if needed before gently pressing the mix into a godet and setting aside for a week to set. Now that we've packed it down nicely, we can set that aside and allow it to set. See? And that's how easy it is to make a fresh face pressed powder. If you like today's formula, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Don't forget to subscribe to receive notifications on videos just like this, and email us at info@personalcarescience.com.au for more free formulas. Happy formulating!